Good morning, you guys. Well, we just reached work. I'm having breakfast. Brown stew chicken with dumpling and yeah, man. I had something else was done. So, I'm just going to check up on y'all. Yes, hi, you guys. I hope you're alright, and you're alright. Basically, I'm here to just tell you guys that. You guys ready? Are you guys ready? No, man, I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready yet. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, I guess. Me guess too. I'll be doing Vlogmas this year because couple of my friends or a couple of you guys text me on my social media asking, Peter, yeah, are you doing Vlogmas? Are you doing Vlogmas? And I came to consideration that yes, I'll be doing Vlogmas. I'll be posting videos every day. If it's not a vlog, it will be a challenge, but be on the lookout on my channel every day. There will be a new video for you guys. If you guys also have any suggestion what you would like for me to do in December, please comment your suggestions below. I will take all your guys suggestions into consideration. And what else? And the reason why it has been delayed because I came home from work very late yesterday and I was unable to post this video for you guys, hence I'm really sorry. So while you guys watching this video, I'm currently editing tomorrow's vlog, so be on the lookout for that. Okay, hi Suki, you want to tell them hi? Yes, Suki will also be in tomorrow's vlog. It's gonna be lit. So I see you guys in the next upload. Also remember to subscribe. What the pies? Remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also like this video if you're ready for Vlogmas, and comment below and do all of that, and just be on a lookout for vlogs this every day in December. So yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye you guys, and see you guys tomorrow. Yes, I see you guys tomorrow.